it's me, Gemma, and today I'm doing something really special. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably will have seen that we were involved in a competition with Pizza Pilgrims recently. Pizza Pilgrims are an amazing pizza restaurant and they're celebrating their 7th birthday this year, and to celebrate they ran a competition where 7 chefs designed a pizza, which the winner of which would go on their menu for a month, and our pizza got the most likes and therefore we have won. So today I'm going to go and hang out with James, we're going to make the pizza together and I'm going to show you guys how it's done too.
Hey, buongiorno.
Hey, how are you?
Very good.
Good.
You won.
I know. It was stiff competition.
It was.
It was touch and go there for a bit.
I think we kind of always knew it though. Sweet pizza was always going to win.
It's always going to win.
So what's the plan?
Well, you need to show me how to shape pizza dough and I will then show you how to desertify it. Desertify?
Desertify? Did you bring brownies?
Hell yeah, I did.
Okay, let's do this. Right. So this is my world. This is how we set up the pizza counter every morning.
Is it?
Yeah. Just brownies, Biscoff, marshmallows, Biscoff again, mascarpone.
That's all you need in life, in many ways.
Right. So this is the winning pizza. Did you say jinx?
Yeah.
Okay, right. I've made you some little bambino. Look at these cute little dough balls.
Little baby.
Because
Loofs.
I think if you tried to eat a full size one of these, I think
Might be a bit much.
you might be a little bit sick.
It might be a bit much, but...
Okay, so take a little bit of flour in your hands, and you just want to flour the board like this.
Yeah.
So this dough is 48-hour approved, like double fermented dough. So we make the dough, flour, water, yeast, salt. Yeah. Then we prove it in a big batch like this, and then we leave it for 24 hours. Then we take it out, we boil it into little trays like this, and then it goes in. It goes in looking like a sort of tennis ball, and then over the next 24 hours it goes like this. So you get like it's not a sourdough, but you get like a really nice, developed, chewy, bready loveliness.
Where did you learn this?
Where did I learn this? In Naples.
Napoli.
Napoli.
Okay, so what do we do?
So now what we want to do is, you want to press down using your fingers, like this. Yeah. And you want to leave a crust around the outside.
Got it.
Because Neapolitan pizza's got this like nice raised crust. Yep. So you push down like this. Very good. Flip it over, then we're going to stretch it. So you put it on the back of your hands like this.
Ooh, hang on, wait.
You got
am I going flippy flips?
Flippy flips.
Okay.
Have you got bling on?
No, I took all my bling off.
And then you just kind of pass it around like this. Like that.
Ooh.
Shimmy, 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 shimmy,
Yours
shimmy.
is really round and mine is very not.
And then just whoop.
No.
They're like whoop. The noise is completely necessary.
Absolutely.
Right, so then you go to there, so like that. Yep. And then...
This is my bit.
Oh yeah, this is your bit. Okay,
yeah. Your work here is done, sort of.
Okay.
So, the first bit is the mascarpone, and that's the bit that's going to go into the oven. So we're just going to use like a tablespoon. Yeah. And obviously, just like with your pizza, don't put it all to the edges.
Perfect, right. Copy you. So mate, you excited that you won?
Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm super excited.
You got more than 2,000 votes.
Yeah.
That's 2,000 people.
And there were some amazing other pizzas that I definitely would have eaten.
I know. You beat a stuffed burrata and andouille pizza.
Yes. That was from Callum, from the Holborn Dining Rooms, and that was probably the one I would have eaten the most.
It was a winner,
but would you say that would have been the most annoying to make?
I mean, yeah, some of the chefs are here, they are very glad it didn't happen. Okay, so, what am I going to get used to first? You hold this first. Okay. And then what you want to do is you just stretch it. The last little bit of stretching happens as it goes on the peel. Just stretch it like that, because what you want is you want it to be nice and thin in the middle. Yeah. And then have this like nice puffy crust on the side. So.
I mean, you're working with some inferior dough here, because I did that.
I see.
Okay, here we go.
So this is a lot like, do you remember Houdini with the tablecloth?
Yes, I remember it well.
So you want to put, here, I'll show you with this one.
Okay.
So you put the peel into the oven. Yeah. All the way into the back like this. And then you give it a little shimmy so that the little thing's moving, and then just pull it out. Right. So you're not pushing the pizza in, you're pulling it out. Okay. And where am I aiming for? Right, slap bang in the middle. Slap bang in the middle, No panic. Oh my god. So, okay, here we go. Hey. Give it a little wiggle. Shimmy. I got it! Nice. I did it! Okay, now switch. So this is the peel for putting the pizzas in. Oh, different. And then this is the cooking peel. Different thing. So, put it in. You get the peel right underneath it. Yeah. put it up, put it up, put it up, put it up, put it up. And then what you want to do is, so like,
oh, look.
basically when all the chefs here, they get really good at turning the pizza, so you can just sort of turn it in a spot. But try it there. So you kind of...
No, that's not gonna work.
Yeah, that's it. Okay.
No, it's probably going to
check
fall
the
off.
base. How's the base looking? Quick bum shot.
Ooh,
yeah. So, now what you do is you do a thing called doming. So now, pick up the pizza again. Okay. Lift it up like this.
Oh, into the fire!
Into the fire, because that's what gives you that like really lovely like charred crust.
Oh, yeah.
So try on that side.
Okay.
And you can see the dough's risen.
Oh, is that too much?
There you go. Ooh. Right up in the flame.
Oh my god, he's in there, I'm dead!
Then, out and onto a plate.
This is where everyone around has to duck. Okay, ready?
That is 500 degrees Celsius, so do not touch it.
Okay, don't touch the 500 degrees Celsius pizza, everybody.
Here is my tiny little baby pizza.
Oh, yours is so much more round.
Mine is better than yours.
I mean, you have been doing this for like, probably like nearly 10 years.
A win is a win. I'm taking that. My pizza looks better than yours.
Yeah, mine might taste better because I have no idea why. Right, so the next bit is to add all the bits and bobs. Now, the crucial ingredient is one of the Crumbs Doilies delicious chocolate brownies. So I'm going to grab a piece, and here's the piece for you. And each piece, I mean, okay.
That is good.
So each pizza gets a whole piece crumbled on top, so let's crumble away.
How crumbly are you going?
I'm going quite small. Right, so we've got our brownie on.
Yeah.
So we're going to go in with a few marshmallows. I mean, just like 10 or 12.
But this is an actual dish in your bakery, right? You do a Biscoff brownie
We do.
s'more
A Biscoff s'mores brownie, yeah, it just doesn't have the pizzery bit on it.
Okay. Good.
That's quite hard. We don't have like 500 degree ovens.
Again, I'm going for more than that. Now
And then crumbs.
Yeah.
And we're going to put more crumbs on later, so don't go too crazy, but that'll add a nice bit of texture. And then we're going to go back into the oven so that we can melt those marshmallows a little bit.
Okay.
A little bit. Woo! That's actually pretty impressive. Okay, so ice cream.
Ice cream.
You hid it.
Is under here.
Woo. So obviously it wouldn't be full dessert without a bit of ice cream, and hot and cold is obviously the best thing ever.
Do your
the royal
skills.
scoop.
Do your skills.
I'm gonna scoop.
Go for it perfect, almost perfect.
Oh, I'm trying, Jen.
Come on, catering school.
Right, so this is basically it, but the last thing we're going to do is finish it off with a couple of crumbs and a bit of drizzle of Biscoff, and I think since this is your first time, you should just do both of them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So Biscoff first.
Crumbs and then...
Always drizzle last, right?
Always drizzle last. Mmm, yum.
My goodness.
And that's it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
Right. How do you eat it?
Well, how do you like to eat?
How do you eat
your
yours?
pizza? I'm gonna cut it in half.
What do you think about like a taco situation?
If you want to taco it,
Do you think this is going to work?
attack it like a taco. I don't know.
So this is basically all the best things on the best thing.
Yeah, it literally is.
What are you reckon?
You're literally doing it. Oh my god, I can't do that because of my teeth. My sensitive teeth.
So this is, they do eat pizzas like this in Italy where they just fold the whole thing. This is not going to be good for me, is it?
Oh my god, you did it.
Oh my god. Biscoff's amazing.
How are you able to talk after taking such a big mouthful? I'm still
Years
going.
of practice.
So when and where can we get this?
So it's in pizzerias now. All the Pizza Pilgrims pizzerias. It's quite hard to say that.
Pizza Pilgrims Pizzerias.
So all the ones in London. We've also got one in Oxford as well.
Okay.
And it's on until the middle of September.
You heard it here, guys. So get yourself over to Pizza Pilgrims and make sure that you have this for your pud. Oh.
Or main.
Oh, your main.
Or
That's
salsa.
also fine. Look, you know, we don't make the rules.
3 courses of this pizza.
Yes.
And then fall over.
Ooh, okay.
Mate, this is a complete triumph. Well done.
Thanks, and I thank you for asking me. No, I'll just carry on eating.
I could eat the whole thing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thanks for winning.
Well, thank you
The
for...
world needs sweet pizza.
It does. I've got my leftovers in my little pot.
Don't hold it that way. Hold it flat.
Of course.
Get it
Hold it
home.
flat. You're talking to somebody who makes cupcakes for a living. I'm definitely holding the box flat. Thank you so much for having us.
Pleasure.
Good luck with the desserts on the menu. I hope you guys all come and get yourself a delicious Biscoff s'mores brownie pizza.
Now
See you
get
later.
out. Get out.
Bye.
Bye.